The following message is transmitted at the request of the Long Beach Police Department. At around 7:42 p.m., police are getting unexpected reports of people being murdered around downtown Long Beach. Many people believe that a random individual is going on a murdering course. It is unknown of who this individual might be or what they look like. There is currently no information about this individual at this time. If you see any individual with a sign of this individual, go into a safe area and call 911 immediately.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Long Beach Police Department. All residents in the city of Long Beach must lock all their doors and windows immediately. At 9:31 p.m., there were more reports of the individual roaming around downtown Long Beach, as well as more unexpected reports of people getting murdered in downtown Long Beach. It was also confirmed that this individual kills anyone that they see in their sight. The identity of this individual is still unknown at this time. All residents are still advised to stay alert and follow further information via radio or television. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Long Beach Police Department and the Long Beach Emergency Management. An extremely dangerous and deadly situation is occurring at the Long Beach Airport. At 12:47 p.m., many people inside the Long Beach Airport have reported puddles of blood all over the floors, along with many stab injuries and gunshot injuries. A 911 call was received from inside the airport shortly after. This was believed that this was the individual that was last seen at downtown Long Beach. Police have cited the individual leaving the airport, carrying a large sword, and multiple guns. All residents near the Long Beach Airport area are not allowed in the airport until further notice due to the police investigation. If you go inside the airport, you will receive multiple warnings. If you wish to not comply, you will be arrested. As of right now, it is still unknown to who this individual could be. Do not approach this individual for any reason at all, as they are considered extremely dangerous. If you see the individual, run away and hide in a safer location. Continue to follow information via radio or media outlets.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Long Beach Police Department and the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children. An Amber Alert has been issued for all of Los Angeles County. The Los Angeles County Police Department is looking for Myra Johnson, a 12-year-old female, 5 feet and 1 inch tall, 87 pounds, brown hair and blue eyes. She was last seen wearing a tan and white colored shirt, black jeans, and red and white Vans shoes. The suspect is confirmed to be the same suspect seen at the Long Beach airport. The identity of the suspect has been revealed to the police and the public. The suspect has been identified as Midnight Shadow Tail, a 16-year-old male that is 5 feet and 6 inches tall, wearing a red bandana, red and black boots, red wrist gauntlets, and white gloves. He was last seen as a red and dark gray human fox with a red tail tip, red tipped ears, and red eyes, with a black Honda motorbike with a California license plate number N643FS. Midnight Shadow Tail is believed to be very armed and dangerous. Midnight was also seen with a large sword with multiple guns. Myra Johnson is believed to be in extreme danger. If you see the suspect and the child, call 911 immediately. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Long Beach Police Department. A deadly situation is occurring at the Long Beach Town Center. At 3:07 p.m., Midnight Shadow Tail has took hostage on multiple stores around the Long Beach Town Center, along with opening fire on any innocent civilians that he sees with multiple guns. As of right now, it is unknown what his demands are. It was confirmed that this is the same person responsible for the murders at the Long Beach airport. Multiple 911 calls have been received from police, and have entered the Long Beach Town Center, and is currently trying to deal with this situation. Midnight Shadow Tail is also threatening to destroy the place if the police do not leave within an hour. If you are near the Long Beach Town Center, stay at home at this time, and find a safe location to hide in. It is advised that you stay away from the Long Beach Town Center due to police dealing with this situation. If you go near this area, you are risking your life with serious danger. In addition, the child that was abducted has been taken to an unknown location, and is still in danger. Tune into local media outlets for more information on this situation.
Wendy's Strawberry Frosty is back for the summer, so Tyler's been spending a lot of Frosty time outside.
Ooh. What?
Bro, you look like a strawberry.
It'll even out.
Choose wisely. Choose Wendy's. Now open late.
Pizza Hut melts are just for you and just $6.99. Enough for two, priced for one. Crispy.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Long Beach Police Department and the Long Beach Sheriff's Office. At 6:12 p.m., Midnight Shadow Tail has gone into a shootout with police at the Gardens Casino, along with brutally murdering and opening fire on innocent people inside the casino. The suspect has also shot and killed a total of 12 people inside the casino, along with holding everyone in the place hostage. It has been confirmed that Midnight Shadow Tail has planned another hostage situation after holding hostage at the Long Beach Town Center. At this time, the Gardens Casino is being evacuated and is closed until further notice. Police are advising residents to stay away from the Gardens Casino to prevent further danger. If you wish to not comply, you will be arrested and charged without question. As of right now, it is still advised that you stay indoors in a safe location until this situation is resolved. Continue to monitor local media or news stations for more information.
Robo Pete, so I can keep it smart this summer. So I can be here and here at the same time. Remember to stay hydrated. Water break? Pretty weird, right? I didn't come up with it. Keep it smart.
We're at the semi-final!
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles Police Department. All residents of Los Angeles, lock all of your doors and windows immediately. At around 7:56 p.m., an armed suspect was seen roaming around the city of Los Angeles, and was also seen firing shots, attacking and killing anyone that they see in their path, along with opening fire on innocent civilians inside buildings. It is believed that this is the same suspect that was seen in Long Beach. The suspect is Midnight Shadow Tail, a 16-year-old male, 5 inches and 7 feet tall, red eyes, with very dark gray fur, red tail and ear tips, wearing a red bandana, red and black boots, white gloves with red wrist gauntlets. This suspect is extremely armed and dangerous. Do not approach Midnight Shadow Tail for any reason, as it will lead to extreme injury or death. If you are outside, go indoors to a safe location, and stay out of his sight. If Midnight Shadow Tail breaks into your home, use any armed protection. Call 911 if you see Midnight Shadow Tail anywhere in your location.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles Police Department and the Los Angeles Emergency Management. At 8:31 p.m., a hostage situation has occurred at the Pershing Square area. About 3 minutes ago, Midnight Shadow Tail has opened fire on civilians in the Pershing Square area, and also brutally murdering innocent civilians in the area. Police have also arrived at the Pershing Square area, and is currently looking for the suspect. In addition, the suspect is also threatening that he will destroy the area if his demands are not met. As of right now, you are advised to stay away from the Pershing Square area at this time. Go into an area that is from a safe distance away from the Pershing Square. If you are caught in the Pershing Square area, you will receive warnings, or possible jail time. Stay tuned into local.
Has this happened to you? AT&T and Verizon rope you in with phone offers, then bind you to a 3-year device contract. Break free with T-Mobile. Introducing Go 5G Plus, the first plan that always gives new and existing customers the same great device deals. And you're upgrade ready a year.
Civil authorities have issued a civil danger warning for the following counties/areas: Los Angeles, California, effective until 11:28 p.m. on May 1st, 2023. At 10:05 p.m., Midnight Shadow Tail has planted multiple bombs around the Pershing Square area, making them explode. These bombs have also caused a large fire around the area, which is spreading around several areas near and in the Pershing Square, setting other buildings on fire. In addition, Midnight Shadow Tail was able to escape the city of Los Angeles right before the explosion. It is unknown where he might head next, but all residents should remain away from the Pershing Square area at this time until the fire has been put out. Tune into local media outlets for further information.
Our son, on the field and off.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the San Diego Police Department. At 2:14 a.m., Midnight Shadow Tail has been seen roaming around the city of San Diego, attacking and killing anyone that they see. There were also many people that were extremely injured or killed by Midnight Shadow Tail. In addition, it was also reported that Midnight Shadow Tail runs at very high speeds while brutally killing or injuring anybody in his path, meaning that there is no way to run away from him after he sees you. As a precaution, you are advised to stay indoors in an area where you not be on his sight. If Midnight Shadow Tail happens to break into your home, use any arm protection. Call 911 if you see Midnight Shadow Tail anywhere near your area. The following message is transmitted at the request of the San Diego Police Department and Emergency Management. At 2:46 a.m., Midnight Shadow Tail was last seen at Petco Park Stadium, planting a bomb inside of the stadium. The explosion of the bomb inside the stadium has caused a large fire inside the area. The San Diego Fire Department and police have been called over to put out the fire and look for Midnight Shadow Tail. It was also confirmed that Midnight Shadow Tail has planned to destroy multiple areas around San Diego, which results in the same threats in Long Beach and Los Angeles. All residents are not allowed to be near the area until the fire has been put out. In addition, Midnight Shadow Tail has also been seen breaking into people's homes and killing anyone that they see inside. This is an extremely dangerous situation and should be taken seriously. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.
A civil authority has issued a civil danger warning for the following counties or areas: San Diego, California, at 8:32 a.m. on May 2nd, 2023, effective until 10:52 a.m. Message from IPOSCAP. Midnight Shadow Tail has planted another bomb inside of the San Diego City College Middle Campus area. He has also opened fire on innocent people with multiple guns, along with killing people inside the campus. However, Midnight Shadow Tail is also threatening to detonate the bomb if his demands are not met. It is unknown what his demands are at this time. The San Diego City College is currently under a mandatory evacuation order. All students inside the campus are currently being evacuated and will be closed until further notice. The San Diego police have arrived and are trying to stop Midnight Shadow Tail from any further damage. All residents within 150 feet from the San Diego City College are advised to stay at home and do not go outdoors for any reason until the situation has stopped entirely.
Immediate evacuation for the city of San Diego. The following message is transmitted at the request of the San Diego Police Department and the San Diego Emergency Management. A mandatory evacuation has now been declared. At 9:03 a.m., Midnight Shadow Tail has planted a propane bomb in the middle of San Diego and is currently threatening to detonate it at this time. This will exactly result in buildings, houses, and anything else in the city being destroyed, with a large fire spreading rapidly across San Diego. All residents should evacuate the city and not return home for any reason at all. All residents are advised to evacuate downtown San Diego immediately. Those who choose not to evacuate will face certain death. Do not delay, evacuate now. An administrative message from the San Diego Police Department. Midnight Shadowtail's attempt to detonate the propane bomb has failed, as it was just a dud. The threat to the city of San Diego has now ended. In addition, police were also able to successfully stop Midnight Shadowtail after a 30-minute shootout with police in the streets of downtown San Diego. The police have successfully arrested Midnight Shadowtail, and has also confiscated all his arsenal of weapons. All residents are now safe to exit their homes at this time.
I ain't gon' let it get to me, I'm just gon' creep down in Pumpkin Hill, I got to find my lost piece. I know that it's here, I can sense it in my feet. The great emerald's power allows me to feel. I can't see a thing, but it's around somewhere. I'm gonna hold my head, cause I have no fear. This probably seems crazy, a graveyard theory. Our ghosts try to approach me and got leery. Ask him a question and he vanished in a second. I'm walking through valleys, crying pumpkins in the alley. Didn't seem happy, but they sure tried to get me. Had to back them up with a fist metal crackle. I'm hearing someone saying, you a chicken, don't be scared. It had to be the wind, cause nobody wasn't there. I searched and I searched as I climbed up the wall.